Welcome back, student. Today we are going to see the unit 1 HTML basic tag. Okay, so before going to the today's class, we will see what we have done in the last class. In the last class, uh, we saw the origins and evolution. When it is started the HTML, first it was a HTML, then HTML1, HTML 2.0, 1.0, okay, then go on, then after that it was HTML, XHTML, then after that now HTML 5.0 is going on. Okay, so the evolution of HTML is improved from one to then extensible hypertext markup language, then HTML 5.0. So already we discussed this in the previous class, and we saw the basic tags. Okay, what are the basic tags? Basic syntax. Syntax is nothing but like that should be in a tag. Okay, this is called tag, and we saw the opening tag, and we saw the closing tag. Okay, what is opening tag? Opening tag will represent like this. We will take P is a tag and this is opening tag. Closing tag will represent as with the help of slash and P. Okay, so this is the opening tag, closing tag, and all tags are predefined. So what are the detail? In detail we are going to see about the tags in today's class. Okay, let's move on. Okay, in the tag, as I told you, if you want to write in the website, okay, if you want to write the paragraph in your website, so you can use this tags. Okay, this is opening tag and this is closing tag. Okay, this is opening tag and this is closing tag. What is the difference? How to identify which one is the opening and which one is the closing tag? This P does not have the slash, that means this is a opening tag. Here the slash is there, that means this is a closing tag. Okay, first we will see all the basic tags, then we will design a simple website while using this all basic tags. Okay, this is a line break. Line break is nothing but like from here we wrote paragraph and this, and if you want to come to the next line, so you need to use the break line, so it will come from here to next line. Okay, how to use this I will show you. Let me okay, first of all I will tell you about this, then we will see practical. Okay, line break. After that, horizontal rule means when you use this HR, this line will become horizontally between pages or lines. Okay, next, heading. Heading is there are 6 levels of headings. This is most important. Most of the time we no need to give the font size. I think you know what is font. F-O-N-T, font. Font is nothing but like whatever we are writing this. Okay, this is called font, and font will be the font name, font size, okay, font color. So this will be in the font. So whatever the font is there, sometime if you want the 22 pixel of the size, sometime you will want 18 pixel for the font size. So in the same way, if you use the headings, heading 1, heading 2, heading 3, heading 4, heading 5 and heading 6, if you use this, so you no need to remember the numbers 18px, 22px. So every heading, if you select the heading 1, so heading 1 automatically it will take one size and that will be wherever you will select the h1 tag, that will take the same name, same color and same size. Okay, so you don't need to every time, you no need to see about the size, color and all the things. If you pass the attribute, then you can change the color, you can increase the size, you can decrease the size. Okay, so h1, h2, h3, h4, h5 and h6. This 6 is a basic 6 level of headings, where h1 is specific, the highest level heading means h1 will be the biggest, high. Okay, large, we can say large. And in the same way, h6 is a smallest. Okay, smallest. Fine. So the heading is h1, h2, h3, h4, h5 and h6. Okay, next is block coding. What is block coding? The block of text simply is intent of the both the side. If you use this block code, then it will be intent. Intent is nothing but like if you want to move this, if you want to start not from here, if you want to start from here, so you can give the intent. So with the help of block code you can do that. Okay, and emphasis is em code strong. What is this emphasis means? Like here paragraph is written, but can you see the underline? Underline is nothing but like a emphasis. Emphasis as well as is a strong, like dark. S will be like dark. That is, in the MS Office we can see bold. See, this is emphasizing. Strong is nothing but like your text will be in the dark. Otherwise the normal will be like this, small means thin, but when you make a strong, then it will be a bold. Okay, this is a normal. If you emphasize, then it will be a like bold or dark, strong. Okay, so this is the basic tags. Now in the font style and size, there will be a subscript and superscript and superscript characteristics can be specified by the sub and sub element, sub and sup elements respectively. There are not contained base tag. For example, if you want to write like this mathematical equation or mathematical format, like x base 2 to the power of 3 plus y base 1 to the power of 2. If you want to write this and should be displayed on the website, so you need to write the code like this. Can you see this? What is this? X means first it will display the x, then sub 2. Sub means the sub of x is 2, then sub is close. Can you see this opening tag and closing tag? This is opening tag and closing tag. Now sub is close. Now sup, super 3, so the 2, the power is 3, opening tag and closing tag. Okay, now plus as it is, then y is also as it is. Then here opening tag is sub 1 and this is a closing tag. Sorry, here okay, so here y sub of 1, so y the sub is 1. Okay, and superscript of this is 2, here 2. So it will be displayed in this format on the website, on the web page. Okay, web page. Display on the web page in this format. Okay, so this is a code. Once again I will tell you. First one is x. X is as it is written because it is a normal line. Then sub means it will go down and write whatever the number you will write here. The next is sub is opening tag and closing tag. What is the problem if you did not close this? If you did not close this, okay, if you did not close this closing tag, then rest of the things, whatever the things at the right side of this sub, that all will come under in base only like this. Okay, so be careful while writing the code. That should be a opening tag and closing tag is must. And this sub, sup, these tags we are not creating. This tag is predefined by the HTML. Okay, we are using the HTML tags. Okay, so this is a basic thing. What is a font style and font size? Okay, with the help of font style and font size, we can change with the help of attribute. What is attribute? I will tell you. Okay, so just remember, for changing the size and changing the style, changing the color, with the help of attribute we can change. Okay, now next, character entities. What is character entities? Special character are defined as entities which are codes for the characters. The browser replaces an entity in a document by its associate character. Like we have the special characters like ampersand, colon, comma, semicolon, okay, and less than, greater than, okay. This all the things are there like equal to. So how can you write this? If you want to write less than, okay, less than, but just now I told you about the tags. Here already it is less than is here. So I want to display the less than. How will you display the less than? That is the main important thing. Less than, greater than, how will you display on the web page? When you go to the web page, like see, I am writing the code here, sub to sub, closing tag, opening tag, but what it is displaying on the website, on the web page, only this thing is displaying. Less than, greater than, this all the things are not displaying. So how we will display? I will show you in the next slide. For example, the following text, the price is less than 10 euro, could be placed in the content of a document as given. The price is a ampersand LT semicolon 10 and euro. You need to write like this. Okay, this will represent as less than. I will show you here. See, if you want to write the and, so you must write in the code AMP, that is ampersand. Okay, if you want to write, if you want less than means like 10 less than 20. If you want to display this on the web page, so you need to write 10, okay, ampersand LT semicolon then 20. It will display in this format. Okay, clear? So this is for the less than is less than. If you want to write greater than, the same thing, ampersand GT. Okay, greater than. Double quotes. How will you write the double quote? You cannot directly, you cannot use the symbols. You need, in place of this, you need to use the ampersand, QUOT semicolon, then it will be a double quote. Okay, if you want single quote, you need to write APOS single quote apostrophe. Okay, apostrophe single quote, you can say single quote or apostrophe. This is a one important thing. If you want to write 1 by 4, how will you write? So this is ampersand fraction of RAC 1/4 semicolon. This is 1 by 4. That means quarter, 1 quarter. If you want 1 by 2, this is fraction 1 by 2 and this is half. If 3 by 4, fraction 3 by 4 semicolon 3 quarters. Okay, and if you want to display like this, degree. Okay, so you must use ampersand DEG, that is degree. If you want to use the space between the things, okay, like here the space is here, example, some commonly used entity, so we have the space. If you want the space between this, you need to write ampersand NBSP, non-breaking space, NBSP. Okay, and this is a copyright symbol. If you want to use the copyright symbol, and this symbol most of the time we need to use this on the website. Why? Because when you are creating the website, that is your intellectual property, means your own property, so you can give the copyright. So how can we get ampersand COPY? If you write like this, this symbol will be displayed on the web page, and this is a euro symbol. If you want to display the currency euro, ampersand euro and euro. Okay, this is some commonly used entities. There are so many are there, but some common use entity when you develop the web pages. Okay, remember this. You cannot use directly these characters. If you want to use these characters, so you need to use these entities. Okay, in this manner you need to write, and this will be used in HTML. In HTML code, you need to use this to display this. Clear? I hope you understand. Okay, now the basic tag is one more thing, is image. Like on the website, you will see the images. So the main important thing is how to add image on web page. See, if you want to add the image, the img, this is a element, is an inline element that specific an image that is to appear in a document. Okay, there are image element is there, inline element. Inline means in the HTML code only you can specify an image that is appear in the document. So when you write the image, I will show you how to add, but this is in one form, inline element. With the help of that we can appear the image. The image element include two attributes. One is src, which specific specifies the file containing the image, and ALT, which specify text to display when it is not possible to display the image. These two things are important when you are displaying the image. What is this SRC? SRC is nothing but like a path, PATH. Where is your picture location? You can say location. SRC will give the location or path which image you want to display. Okay. ALT, what is this ALT? If sometime due to internet problem or due to the image delete or wrong path, image will not display on the web page. So at that time, what should be display in place of image? So you need to use the ALT. Okay. When it is not possible to display the image, when it will display ALT, when image is not display. If image is display, then it will like a tooltip. When you place your mouse there, then it will display the tooltip. We will use this both both attributes in the image tag. Okay. Next, two option attribute of image. There is a optional, if you want to use or not is up to you. IMG, that is width and height. What is the advantage of this? Example, if you have the image size 600 by 600, okay, PX or PX, anything, the image size is 600 and 600 px, like this. Okay, but I want to display the full image, but not in this size. I want 200 and 200. I want the size of the image should be 200. So at that time, if you want to change the width and height of your image and display on the web page, at that time you need to use two option attributes of IMG, that is width and height. Can be included to specify in pixels. You can specify the px pixels or not. The size of a rectangle from the image. Example, what is this IMG? IMG is a tag, 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 and it is opening. Without slash means this is opening tag. SRC, what is SRC? It is the location of the image. But here we did not give whole path. Why we did not give here whole path? Because where you are saving this HTML code, there in that same folder image is there. Because of that we are not mentioning the location, just we are giving the name of the image. Okay. Next, height. Height and width is optional. Height is 200, width is 200. Okay, and the important thing is alt. Here can you see this alt? Alt is equals to picture of Casna 210. So whatever the picture, you can give the name. If the picture is not display, it will return like this. Even though if the picture is display, when you place your mouse pointer on the image, this name will be displayed like a tooltip. What is this tooltip? When you place your mouse on some icon or some image, then at the bottom it will display some information about that icon or picture, that is called tooltip. Small description. Okay, so this is about the image. Next, link, hyperlink. Hyperlink means you can use hyperlink, like when you click on the link, you will go to website, any website, any other website. Okay, so you can give the link between the website. Link is simply the true script of hypertext. So this is the hypertext link, or simply a link in an HTML document act as a pointer to some particular place in some web resource. So just simply the link is between any website or any resources. If you want, then click. Even though even the same website also you can use the hyperlink. That resource can be HTML document anywhere on the web page or web, or it may be the document currently being displayed. As I told you, on the same document or same page or anywhere in the web, you can give the link. Link are the specified in the attribute of anchor element. The anchor element that specified a link is called source of the link. Okay, anchor means it will like this. This is opening tag and this is closing tag. We will use the anchor element, that is a tag to give the link. Okay, the document whose address is specified in a link is called the target of the link. So whatever the link you are going to give, that is called target. The value assigned to href attribute specify the target of the link. In this we are going to write the href, then we will write like www.google.com. Clear? Like this. I will show you when we do the practical. Okay, like see the example here. Target is another document. First this one, target the another document. Ahref is IT data HTML, information on the IT department or of the IT department. Okay, so this is href. We are using the a tag and we are using the href attribute. What is this href attribute? Okay, so next is target within the same document. H2 is heading, id is equals to avions is S2. so href is hash XML. What about XML? So you can get the detail. Okay, like this. So this is simple way to give the hyperlink between the within the same document. And if you want to give on the web so you that also you can give. Okay, fine. So now the next one is list. On the website we will get the list so this list is divided into unordered list, ordered list and definition list. What is order list? Unordered list means that will be displayed like this. Can you see points? Order list means there will be a 1 2 3 4. Okay, and definition means it will give the dt like here 152 definition we are giving to place trainer. I will tell you about that. Okay, so the first one, unordered list. This is unordered list tag and this is closing tag. This is opening tag and this is closing tag. Opening tag, closing tag. Unordered list. In unordered list we are giving the list li, we are giving this, and here also this is a closing tag and this is a opening tag. Okay, how the output of this point CESSNASKYHAWK, like that. And here BEECHCRAFT, same way PIPER. So the output will be display of this is this in this order. Okay, what about this? This is order list, and this is the first one, and this is a second one. Order list, order list. This is a opening tag, and this is a closing tag. So here how it will display? It will display like 1, or in place of 1 it will display Roman number or A or capital A, anything you can specify, but normally 1. Set mixture, and second set proper 3, set 4, the circle will be not there. Okay, sorry. Okay, now here fourth is set auxiliary, AUXILIARY, auxiliary. Okay, and the fifth is when fuel. So it will display like this. This is the output of order list. Okay, order list and unordered list. So here the definition list. What is definition list? Are used to specify list of terms and their definition. DL, this is opening tag, and this is closing tag. Okay, and here DT, okay, definition type, and DD, definition defined definition. Okay, and this is DT DD, DT DD, DT DD. So this is like 152, and we are giving the definition 2-place train. 172 is smaller 4-place aeroplane. 182 larger 4-plane aeroplane. 210 6-place aeroplane, high performance. So we are giving the definitions. Okay, like this we can define the list, order list, unordered list. Okay, so today we are going to stop here. In the next class we will see about the table. Okay, this is in the next class. So before that, just I will quickly so in the basic tag only, just we finish the basic tag. Okay, in the HTML about this paragraph, line, horizontal, heading, H1, this all, and we will make one practical session. On that time we will see some practical things and theory also, and the character entities, all the characters what you can include, and if you want to add in this, so how to add that also we will see. Okay, and the images, what is the images and how to add the image, what is SRC, what is ALT. Okay, we saw this, and what is width and height in the image. Okay, hyperlink, how to give the link between that within the document and out from without within the document, or if you want to search on the web, that also you can get possible. Okay, order list, and we saw the order list, unordered list, definition list. Unordered list means it will display like this points, and order list means it will give 1 2 3 or A B C D, or Roman number 1, row number 2, row number 3, 4, okay, like this. And this is definition. List are used to specify list of terms and their definition. So whatever the you are writing, we are giving the definition. Whatever you are writing, giving the definition. So like that, this all the things we will do practically in our practical session, okay, and this will can done in HTML. HTML can be do the basic requirement for the HTML is you no need to install any software. By default there will be a notepad in your computer. In the notepad we will write the HTML code, okay, in the HTML code. So we no need to install the notepad, okay, fine. So and one more thing, here I will write my blog name for all learners.blogspot.com. If you go to this website, okay, if you go to this website, then you will get all the notes of WAD notes and PRO programs are available, okay, all programs on blog, okay. So you can go and check the blog also here. In this video I will going to add this link also. You can go and visit the blog and check the notes of WAD notes, okay. Thank you very much, and all the best for your future. Okay, bye. Allah Hafiz.